Hello, future AR developers. In today's lesson, we will try to do something like this. Okay, so we want to animate these characters. One thing you should know about this is Adobe Arrows comes with something we call directable characters, and these characters already have some animation pre-built into them. Okay, so you just have to use um, one of the menus to toggle these animations. Okay, so to do that, we would have to create a new project. So let me go to new project. Now give my name, let's say directable, give my project a character, sorry, a name, directable char. Create. Okay, so we have our interface and working environment. And what we'll do now is to just work with any of the characters here. So I'm going for, you can choose any of them, but in this picture I'm going for thread. To thread, okay, I can reduce the size. Let's say I want this size. Then I'll go for Zara. So Zara, where is Zara? There's Zara. Click. So reduce the size. Bring here to this side. Let's look for resin. So this resin. So reduce the size. Okay, so you can reduce the size as you wish, like any size that you want. Okay. Then let's look for Samir. Samir. So there's Samir. Okay. Also reduce Samir size. Let me bring him here. So now to animate them, we'll have to go here. That's the character behavior. I think my screen has blocked that side. So, but it's below this, okay? Below the content, you see a running figure icon. That should be the character animation. So on trigger, what do you want to do? So on start, that's when the scene starts, okay? When the program starts on the person's device, we want to take action. So let's say we want thread to, let's use follow camera. So what do you want it to follow? So when we come here, the properties here, we can use here and then choose camera. Okay, so it's going to follow you, the user. Okay, so your camera. So let's preview and see what we have. You can see he's following the camera. If I turn this way, it will come towards me. If I go this way, he will come towards me. Get it? Yeah. Okay, so my property, you can decide to increase the speed and then this property here, but I have set my other property here to infinite. Okay, so now let's see who else would want to. So Zara, so let me bring Zara here, and let's say we want Zara to move. We want her to move to the anchor. Okay, so I'll click here, play animation. Then let's say, sorry, let's go to not animation clip here. We actually need to move. Where's the move? So move to, okay, and then yeah. So anchor, you can decide to change it as you wish. So move to anchor, and then let's check what Zara does. Okay, so you can see she's moving to the anchor. Okay. Now let's go to resin. So resin, so select resin. And then with resin, we want her to follow thread, but because we've not animated thread yet, so let's go and then do that for thread. Or we've done. Let me see. Okay, so to work with the Proximity enter, I would have to click here. Okay, we could have worked here, but if you click here, it doesn't show. So what we'll do is go to trigger. Okay, so on proximity enter, so let's just select it here. So the subject is going to be thread. So when a person is 10 centimeters close to thread, we want it to do something. So what do you want thread to do? So we just come here. You can decide to change this value. Let me say 5 centimeters. Then the action is going to be to, let's say, move, move to move to Zara. Okay, what is happening? Choose location. Thread. Okay. Thread proximity and Zara move to thread. No, should be thread to move to Zara. So let's try that out. Okay, so you have to go close to thread.